Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a vegetarian dish. It's very tasty and very delicious and very easy to make. I have a long beans. These are Chinese beans. It's a 1.5 pound. I'm going to cut them into small pieces, then I'm going to wash it. 3 potatoes. I already peeled it. I put it in the water so they don't discolor. I'm going to cut into small pieces. Red onion, all the spices, garam masala, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, salt, coriander powder, mustard seed, cumin seed, 1 teaspoon each. 2 teaspoon ginger, green chili, and garlic paste. And for our tadka, I'm going to use olive oil. As you've seen, these are long beans. Real tiny pieces. If you cut into that, just like this is the secret. Your kids will love it. If you cut this big, that's no problem. We're going to love it. We enjoy the vegetable. But the kids don't like it. This is the tip I want to share with you. Cut into small pieces, then they will start eating it. Get a fry pan, start gas, and we're going to keep gas on high. Bring olive oil. 1 tablespoon olive oil. I'll bring mustard seed, cumin seed. We're going to give them like 20 seconds. As soon as they start sputtering out, I'm going to bring ginger, garlic, and green chili paste. And we're going to cook ginger garlic paste for like 20 seconds. Now I'm going to bring onion, mix it well. We're going to cook our onion for 3 minutes. We don't want to overcook our onion. Cooking our onion for 3 minutes. This is how it looks. Now I'm going to bring all the spices. Garam masala, degi mirt, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, salt. And we're going to mix it well. Once all the spices are nicely combined with the tadka, now I'm going to bring the vegetables. Now we're going to mix it well along with our tadka. Now I'm going to bring gas to medium and keep mixing. Once our tadka is nicely incorporated, spread it evenly. On medium gas, we're going to cook for 10 minutes, cover with the lid. And after 5 minutes, I'm going to come back and we're going to open it on medium gas, cooking for 5 minutes. I'm going to turn the fan on. I'll open it and we're going to mix it. After mixing it well, we're going to cover it again and we're going to give 5 more minutes. I'll start the fan, another 5 minutes of cooking. So mix it well. And if we look at our potatoes, this one is firm, this is nicely done. So after mixing it well, I'm going to close it again. And on medium gas, we're going to cook additional 3 minutes. Another 3 minutes of cooking with the closed lid. I'll start the fan. Mix it well. And now if we look at the potatoes, wow, nicely all done. It's all nicely done. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving bowl ready and I'm going to dish out. This is very delicious recipe and please try it. Our delicious vegetarian recipe, long beans with the potato, is all ready. Please try it and kids will love it. You always can serve with the roti, chapati, fulka, naan, paratha, puris. Very tasty and very delicious. And if you like this dish, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.